Hello, I am Afiza. My presentation's title is Didactics of the Chemistry. What is didactics? From the Greek, didactics, instructing, related to education. Didactics, field of pedagogy developing methodology and the theory of education. What is didactics of the chemistry? The didactics of chemistry is one of the modern pedagogical sciences with a specific object and subject of research. Didactics of chemistry has the object and the subject. The object of chemistry didactics is the process of chemical education in a modern school. The subject of chemistry didactics is the methodology, theory, and the practice of chemical education. The subject of chemistry didactics is associated with the solution of three main groups of problems. They are why teach and study chemistry. The second, what to teach and learn. The third, how to teach and learn well. The science didactics of chemistry and the corresponding academic discipline didactics of chemistry have similar and different characteristics. For example, science of similarity, unified system of scientific knowledge about chemical and other objects, identical groups of knowledge, empirical or theoretical, identical types of knowledge, leading ideas, theories, laws, concepts, facts, language, methods. Unified scientific language, the nomenclature, symbols, terminology, and etc. Unified methods of cognition of chemical and other objects. Science of difference. Different goals and focus, different types of content, different changes in the amount of information, different structure and the construction of content, different logic of content disclosure, different level of mathematical description, different nature of the novelty of the result of knowledge. The methods of scientific research used in chemistry didactics. First, general scientific methods. They are theoretical, historical, and logical analysis in literature sources, systematization, modeling. The second, general pedagogical methods. Pedagogical experiment, questionnaires, pedagogical observation, conservation with teacher and students. And the last, specific methods. The specific method includes modernization, development of new chemical devices, and tasks of chemical education. How can be formulated the main tasks of chemistry didactics? The first, determination of the goals and the objects of chemical education. The second, determination of the content of chemical education. The third, identification and the implementation of the patterns of the educational process. The first, development of technologies, methods, forms, means, and the coordination of the educational process, teaching and learning adequate to the content. Conclusion. The didactics of chemistry is given a special place in the system of methodological disciplines in the process of professionalization of students. Science without solving general issues of methodology and the theory of chemical education. It's impossible of effectively solve many particular issues of subject methodology. Thank you for attention.